As always, weekend was not so good for resting. I said, okay, I will not mount anything anymore on the bike in the weekend. I have to take a rest. And actually today I'm more tired than I was on Friday. So no more engine work today. I just continue with simple stuff, mounting the fenders, mounting the seats. I have a bag full of screws back from plating to mount the seats back. And probably I will continue tomorrow on mounting the cylinders on the engine and the rest of the mechanical checking. Close to mount back the seats, but before mounting I usually plate everything, and then if it's too much, because it's clearly too much plated parts on just two seats, then we get all the attention from the nice engine parts that are plated and everything, and it will be way too much. I took this mounted seat. I have probably 9 or 10 seats like this. I love these seats. It's leopard seats. Primus also stamped on them. As I build a hot rod, I like to have as less weight as I can on accessories like headlamps, seats, and that usually I like to see minimalized on a bike. So on a lot of my racers I use bicycle accessories where I can, from vintage bikes or different smaller motorcycles that have smaller seats. So I decided to paint the frames black, all the clamps, and leave just the spring, the front springs and the extension springs plated. The rest I will paint black and see how it looks like.